morning, you guys. What is up? Welcome back to another honeymoon vlog. What day is it? Friday. It's Friday and it's like almost 9 o'clock, and we just got up and are starting to get moving for the day. Today is literally the perfect day. Like, the sun is out, there's a little bit of clouds, and it's so breezy. So if you guys didn't catch our first vlog, I will have it linked in the cards, but we are in St. Lucia. We're staying at Coconut Bay. We absolutely love it. It's so beautiful here, and we have lots of fun plans for today. So I'm working on my morning cup of coffee, and we're just sitting out on the balcony for a little bit while I drink this. And then we're going to head down to the beach. We want to get down early today because we have to come back to the room early because we're going on a sunset cruise today, which I'm really excited about. I think that's gonna be really fun, but that leaves at 4, so we have to get out and get ready for the night pretty early. But just want to start off this vlog before we kind of like get moving and get ready for the day and head down to the beach. Good morning, you guys. It is Monday morning and we are rushing around the room as usual because we can't be on time literally anywhere. We're going snorkeling this morning and our excursion leaves at 8 o'clock. It is 7:52 and we should be down there like probably right now because we need to be down there a little earlier. You can't find your mask, can you? I'll get you another one. We're getting ready to go snorkeling. I'm very nervous because I've only been snorkeling one time before and it did not go so well. I did not like it. It literally scarred me for life. I said I would never go again because it literally scared the living daylights out of me. But I really wanted to, and when I say snorkeling, I mean like snorkeling like off a boat, not just like snorkeling off the shore. So we're going snorkeling today, and supposedly it's just supposed to be like on a boat right off the shore, which I'm okay with. I just cannot go snorkeling in like the middle of nowhere in the water. So I'm hoping that this snorkeling experience will be okay, but we will see. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. I'm gonna bring the GoPro and hopefully we get like some cool shots and stuff of us in the water, but we need to leave right now because we're in a rush. So ready to go snorkeling?
Very ready.
I'm excited slash nervous.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah.
Good morning, you guys. It was a couple of days later now. It's currently Sunday and I didn't pick up the vlog camera. I think the last time I vlogged was on Friday. We went on our sunset cruise, which was, what do you think, Eddie? About our sunset cruise?
I thought it was awesome.
It was an experience. It was a beautiful view, but there were just some interesting experiences with people on the boat, which kind of like, I don't know. It was fun. It was a beautiful view, but just wasn't what romantic. Yeah, it wasn't romantic at all, which is exactly what I thought it was going to be, but it was not, which is fine. It was still a beautiful view. We did that Friday. Yesterday we did about nothing, literally nothing. And I picked back up the camera today. It's just been honestly a lot of the same thing, just going to the pool and hanging out there. That's pretty much all we've been doing, which is why I haven't picked up the camera, because it's like kind of repetitive at this point. So I thought I would pick up the camera today. Tomorrow we have some more fun stuff to do, which will also be in this vlog. But it was super, super rainy this morning. So we honestly didn't think we were gonna get to go to the beach at all because it's supposed to rain all day. But it looks like there's a break. You can see it looks really, really nice outside now. And I think it's supposed to stay this way for a couple of hours. So we're gonna try and go outside while we can and at least get a little bit of sun and go lay by the beach. I think we're gonna go like to the actual beach today. Normally we go and sit. Let me show you where we go and sit. If you can see right there where my finger is, that's a tiki hut. It's like a drink bar. And then there's an adult pool right there. And then there's an adult pool right there. I don't remember if I said, but we are on the adults only section of this resort. So all of this stuff in front of us is adults only. So adults only pool, bar, adults only pool. There's a hot tub right there. And then by these trees out here, you can probably see like those little umbrellas. Those are little chairs. They're like cabanas without the top part of a cabana. And that is where we have been laying. So you can see like the blue ocean and the mountains and all that stuff. So it's absolutely beautiful there. We love laying there. It's like our favorite spot to lay. And the breeze, like it's so breezy there, which feels so good when you're laying out. You don't even get hot at all because it's just so breezy. But we want to try something out new today. So I think we're gonna go to the beach because I'm gonna go get a picture. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. This is my little swimsuit for today. I just have on this little, I forget what these are called, but one of these is a cover up. And then a swimsuit is from Shein. It's supposed to have these little straps that hold up the top part of it with like little frillies on the side of it. I put them away. This is what the straps looked like. Okay, here you go. I just went and got the strap. I took them off because the straps are supposed to be like this, which is like super, super cute. I love it so much, but they gave me 2 of the wrong straps. So they gave me 2 of these straps. So if I were to put it on this side, it doesn't flip around. It just goes the same way, which looks really silly in my opinion. So I just took them off, which is fine. Like the swimsuit still works like this. I just really liked those straps and I'm so sad that they gave me 2 of the wrong ones, but that's the swimsuit that I'm gonna wear. Hopefully I can get rid of some of my tan lines. My back is super, super tan and my front is not quite as tan. So I'm gonna try and lay on my front today as much as I can to get some sun there. I'm gonna go fix my hair really quick because I'm not gonna wear it in a ponytail to the beach. I'm just gonna put it down and just like have it down normal, and then I can throw it up in a ponytail after we are done taking my picture. We just got lunch. I don't even know if you can hear me because it's so windy, but Eddie went and got us some burgers on the beach. They're grilling on the beach down there. So Eddie got himself a burger. I got a little burger too with some ketchup, mayo, and cheese. It looks so good. Yummy.
Not a bad view for eating hamburgers.
And a drink. Good morning, you guys. I literally just woke up. It's like 7 o'clock. Eddie went and got us coffee first thing this morning. Just much needed. I am so tired for literally no reason. I slept so much yesterday, but we're up early. We have another excursion today. I need to hurry and get ready as per usual. Why do we always have to rush? I don't know. My hair is literally a mess because I didn't wash it last night. I just like left in the beach waves and I woke up and it was like so frizzy this morning, but it's fine, it's whatever. I really need to get ready, put on some sunscreen and stuff and get ready to go. I'm really excited for today's excursion because today's excursion is a couples escapade. So I think we do like a little private tour of some of the land stuff and we get to go see a waterfall and do a mud bath. So I'm really excited. I think it's gonna be really good. My swimsuit is from Shein. I love it so much. It's so cute. This is like by far I think my favorite swimsuit that I got. I literally don't even know what to do with this hair. I should have washed it last night. I'm kicking myself now because this is so bad. I think that's slightly better, although I can't tell. Anyway, I'm gonna try and be better today about getting more footage around the resort and stuff and show you guys a little bit more than I have the past couple of days because we only have 2 more days here. Today, tomorrow, and then we leave. So I'm gonna try and be better about getting more footage And I don't know, maybe there'll be one more vlog. I haven't decided yet, but Eddie's sitting out on the balcony waiting for me to get ready to go. Look, he's only smiling because the camera's on, otherwise he'd be rushing me right now. I said you're only smiling because the camera's on, otherwise you'd be rushing me right now. Really?
For real, let's go.
We really do need to go. We have an 11 and we have to leave.
About the time we left yesterday and we were in a rush.
Yeah, but I'm like half ready right now. Like I have my swimsuit on, I have my cover up on, I just have to put on like sunscreen and fix my wild hair. Like what is going on? I thought it was better, but I don't think it is. Got Eddie's breakfast. I got my usual, I get 2 pieces of French toast every single morning. The best French toast ever. And then I always get a side plate of pineapple because they have literally the best pineapple here. So I literally have gotten this every single morning now for the past like
3 or 4 days.
3 or 4 days. It's like my go-to breakfast. So yummy, so good. Eddie got omelet, bacon, sausage, hash browns, but mine is better. We got back from our couples escapade not that long ago. We got back at, I don't know, like 1 something. It's 4 o'clock now, and we just went and we were just literally laying by the pool for the longest time, and I forgot to vlog. I brought my vlog camera and everything, and I literally just forgot to pull it out until we were like in the elevator on the way to come up here. I realized I didn't vlog anything, but we just laid there. It's like my favorite thing. The past like 2 days we've come back from our excursion, and then I will lay down and take a nap, and yesterday's nap was the best nap ever. Today I could not fall asleep, which was very sad, but still super relaxing because you have the waves and the wind and all that. I just have a little drink. They have the best drinks here. This is the dirty banana, so it's basically like a pina colada with banana and then like chocolate on the outside. Super good. They also have one called Perfect Harmony, and it's pina colada with strawberry daiquiri on the outside. So good, by far like my favorite drink here. And I'm probably gonna have a few of those tomorrow because tomorrow's the last day. Anyway, couples escapade was pretty fun. We did the mud baths, as you guys saw, when the waterfall. It was so fun, and it was all like a private tour, so there wasn't a ton of people there and stuff, which was really nice. Really good day. Really tired. Tomorrow's our last day, so we have to like soak it all in. But Eddie's in the shower right now, getting ready for dinner. I'm gonna get in the shower afterwards. I need to wash my hair. It just sucks that we have to come in so early because it gets dark so fast. So we're gonna get ready extra early today to make sure we have extra time for pictures, and then they're doing like a cowboy night or like a country night or something, so we get to eat outside and listen to some country music and stuff, and that'll be really fun. So you look cute.
Thank you.
I like your shirt.
I picked that out myself.
Did you? Oh no, I picked that one off of Amazon.
I picked it out myself.
We're getting ready to go to dinner, and I'm so sad.
Oh gosh.
I'm ready to go home.
So am I.
I miss home.
So do I.
But I also know that as soon as I get home, I'm gonna want to be back here. I just miss my bed and my shower and Jasper. Like, I just want to get home to him and cuddle him. And I mostly miss my bathroom. I don't know, I have a thing with hotel bathrooms. Don't ask me why, don't ask me what it is. I just like I don't feel clean in any other shower except for my shower. And I just want to feel clean and get home and be in my own bed and be comfy cozy again and just like have lazy days with you. But I just know that I'm also gonna be so sad when we leave, and I'm gonna miss getting coffee with you and laying by the beach with you. So I'm getting
We're just homesick.
We're homesick, but also sad because we're gonna leave soon, and I don't want to leave, but I do want to leave. We're getting ready to go to dinner right now. Ready?
Yep.
Country night. Got some yummy dinner. You excited?
I wish I was a little hungry.
I know.
It's not as fun this way.
It is just as fun.
No.
We're barely moving.
Exactly. That's called a lazy river.
I like to control where I'm going.
This is called Action River now.
This is still relaxing.
That's my hair.
It's warm now. Look at there.
A little bit. Okay.
Now the other way. We're getting ready to head out to dinner, and I just realized what a horrible job that I've done vlogging it. Like this whole vlog, I feel like I hardly have vlogged anything, and anything that I have vlogged has just been like the most random of clips. But it's just because like if we're not in here like getting ready to go somewhere, then we're literally just like laying by the beach or pool. Most of the time I don't have this camera with me, I just have the GoPro, and I don't have that much room on that SD card. But we're like literally doing nothing when we're down there except like sleeping and just laying there. Besides that, it gets dark so early. Like it's 6 o'clock right now and it's already getting ready to get dark, so we're kind of like always rushing around because we want to like come in here, hurry, get ready, and then go out, take pictures, and get ready for dinner and stuff. And we have dinner reservations at 7:15. We just got ready. We're gonna go try and take a quick picture before it gets dark out. I just have on this dress from Altered State, super cute. I just left my hair natural from the ocean. Like I don't know, I just took my hair out of my ponytail, and I have like these really pretty waves going on from the salt water, so I just left it and I'll wash my hair when we come back in. Little dress from Altered State. My heels are from I think Lulu's. Looks like he's looking out at all the fun they're having at the pool while we're getting ready to go to dinner. What a view. It's already starting to get dark though, don't you think?
Yeah.
That's crazy. All right, let's hurry. It's our last day. Actually, it's our last morning. We're getting ready to leave in like 2 minutes maybe, but we're just looking at our view one last time. It's a little foggy because it's literally so humid out here, but it's just like the most beautiful view. We had so much fun. We loved every second of it. I can't believe we have to say goodbye to this view. I love the mountains. It's like my favorite part is the mountains and the ocean. But this is where our honeymoon vlog ends. I definitely didn't get as much clips as I had wanted to get, and like we loved every second of it. We enjoyed every second of it. We have like so many pictures and so many good memories, and we have a lot that we did record, so I just can't believe our honeymoon's over. So it's so sad. We're so ready to get home, but still so sad to be leaving. Like I could cry. I'm a little sad to leave because it's beautiful here. It was just like the most wonderful honeymoon ever. Best honeymoon spot. Back to reality we go. So thank you guys for watching this vlog and watching the other vlog. I'll have a link to the cards if you haven't seen it yet. Make sure that you guys are subscribed and follow me on Instagram because I still have so many pictures to post, and I've been making some TikToks while we're here. So make sure that you guys check that out. It's all linked in the description box below. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.